Greetings, friends. David here from Crypto Consciousness YouTube channel. Welcome and thank you for tuning in and watching this video. If you can just do me a favor and start off by smashing the like, that will be great. That'll help my YouTube algorithm. Now, let's get into it. Today, this video is all about HOLOCHAIN, the one and only amazing crypto. At one stage in 2018, I sold everything and moved it into HOLOCHAIN. If you go to coinspot.com.au, you should already be signed up if you're already trading and investing. If not, see the link below and get a referral bonus for signing up. You'll only get that through my referral code, so check it out. Now we go to CoinSpot. We scroll down. You can see today it's one of the big movers at the top. 80%. It was up at 91% before. We'll scroll down. Let's see. So it's around number, it's around 50 or 60 position in the crypto charts. It used to be 30, and now it's slipping back up. Let's click on the chart. Let's go over here. Actually, I've got it already up. Look at this amazing run that we've had. I've been telling people for a few years now, get in while it's cheap. We were getting friends in around here at an all-time low. It was around, half of a cent. Sorry, half of a cent. Yep. And people got in, multiplied by 4x, and then we saw a sideways action, and they got really excited when it went up. But as markets do, they retrace because we were in a bear market, and we had a second opportunity after the COVID in last March. I bought more, quite a bit more. I stacked up my bags, and then I was getting people in while it was around. Let's go in and zoom in. It was like 0.480005, so half of a cent. And today, if you go forward a year, let's go there. We've been busting out. A few weeks ago, got a bit exciting. We busted out to a quarter of a cent. And then we've multiplied that, especially in the last 3 days. We have now reached 1 cent. Woohoo! For all you who have been patient enough to wait and wait with me. This project is amazing. It's a one of a kind. It is literally the all or nothing deal, I think. A friend of mine, Nick, put me through to this one. Had some great insights, and what I've looked into, and I'm really, really happy. This team is amazing, really good, I guess, earth-friendly and tech-savvy people who are involved with this. They are also opened up a massive community worldwide. Basically, a good bunch of people getting together, working on a system that is protecting people's security. I'll go to their website because you can get a good feel for it. HOLOCHAIN, think outside the blocks, great start. There's some tech type videos here explaining it. If you want to watch that, a few minutes long, particularly like this short one that's a minute and 11 from an experienced blockchainer. Holo, what's great about Holo, it's not particularly a blockchain as per se. It's a different system. It's designed as a peer-to-peer sharing network, and it's really, really clever. It's a more human internet. Well, I mean, what more can you say? You can check out the white paper there. It's all the ins and outs behind it. Every crypto should have a white paper if it's legit. If it doesn't, stay away from it. I only invest in fundamentally strong projects that really have good team and good plan and actually prove themselves along the way. Otherwise, no point investing in that, and it is just speculation. They've done a lot of work, so years and years in the making of this. I hear April things are going to happen as a launch, and we've had some massive testing going on with their holo ports that they've sent out. Just check it out. I mean, look, you own your own data, you control your identity, you connect applications that suit you, not things that you must connect because something else that you want has to have it, and so on. It's not a centralized system, therefore it's decentralized. No one governance can look over it. It allows you to build faster, lighter, and most importantly, cheaper applications. So more people will get good things done, get good things happening. HoloChain apps, they help governance and collaboration. We really need to unite as a humanity to come together more so rather than segregate and divide and conspire behind closed doors, which is the current corporate system. We want to get more social networking happening and more social media so they can do that on the network quite easily. There's a lot of sharing, there's a lot of cooperation between apps. They really communicate to each other. So that you can see, read through this website, go to holochain.org, check it out. Some great things going on. And I think you'll be really, really happy to see what it is. Now, let's just go quickly to, there's a little video here you can watch. Let's blow it up. Let's go here. And let's listen to Arthur Brock explain this.
So there's a lot of excitement about blockchain right now. And what's great about blockchain is that it has separated data integrity from data security, meaning you don't have to keep data locked up behind a wall. You can actually spread it among many people and they can't tamper with it. And you can operate different types of agreements, systems, smart contracts, applications in that space and make sure that everybody's following the rules. A lot of people have started to see how this might be able to shift some of the dynamics, in particular power dynamics in our systems, where, for example, for a currency, you could technically have currencies that we all could participate in and issue rather than that being something central to bankers or governments. And also for software, things like Facebook or Twitter, we actually could just run these things peer-to-peer and not have a company in the middle spying on us, choosing for us, deciding what we see, what we don't.
All right, we'll pause there. You can watch the video. I'll link the full video link down the bottom. You'll get a good idea of what's going on. Now, so people who have jumped in on what my belief is that this is an amazing project are already up, some 20x, some 10 times, depending how late they got in. But, I think I gave a final call. It was around, 994 and 89, 00089. So, look, I'm not saying get in right now and buy it, but I'm just saying check out HOLOCHAIN, get it on your radar. If it drops back after this crazy hype, which we may still have a few more weeks for a pullback, which would be really nice. I wouldn't expect it to come all the way to half of a cent. Yeah, so actually it was 1/10 of a cent. When we were actually half of a tenth of a cent when I was recommending everyone to get in because I thought it was really, really cheap. Anyway, it's exploding, so it may continue up quite aggressively until we see a pullback. It might be missing out if you do rely on a pullback. But if we do get a pullback, it might be to 1/8 of a cent, maybe. There's no guarantees on this, but if you're looking at this as a long-term investment and you love what you see, get yourself onto CoinSpot, put some money into it. It doesn't have to be a lot. It could be 10,000, could be 1,000, could be 100,000. Up to you. Just keep in mind though, the more money you want to spend on it, the more liquidity you need. So you do need a good exchange, and that's why I use. To me, Australia's best exchange is CoinSpot. And I've got that referral code, so you'll be able to get a bonus when you sign up. The market cap, I believe they've taken it off today, but I believe last time we were trading down low was $270 million. This would be now close to 1.8 billion, even closer to 2 billion based on its multiples. So, you can see there's a lot of movement. It's not exactly slowing down. If we go to the 1 hour chart, you got these small pullbacks, and this might be an area that we might be slowing down, which would be good. We might see a pullback to 8, like I said, and if you're really lucky, maybe to 7.5 or 6. But yeah, I believe April we may see some great news come out, and once it starts getting out there, people putting more and more apps because they've developed so many apps. They've done a lot of development with developers around the world, from Australia, USA, everywhere, all worldwide. So there's an amazing team, good thinking going on. HoloFuel will be the currency on this HoloChain network, and HoloFuel, this will all convert. This Holo, which is HOT, will convert to HoloFuel at some point, and that can be something you trade and you can earn when you're hosting a website. They pay you, or when you're wanting to use a website or an app, you'll be paying in HoloFuel. Anyway, check it out, get onto it, and hopefully you guys can enjoy some of this ride. If we go to 10 cents, it'll make it all worthwhile for a lot of developers or people with a Holo port to earn an income to providing that service. So we've still got a long way to go there. That's a 10x just to 10 cents. And imagine we go to $1. He'd make a lot of millionaires from good people who have invested and believed in this project. So check out holochain.org. Hopefully that makes all sense. Peace out until the next video. Take care.